Hello and good morning, prison mates. How are y'all doing? It's 3:29 here in Manila, and as you have noticed, I didn't get enough sleep, to be honest. As you have noticed, we just got off here in the hotel room, and we just check out here from the hotel because in just a short while we'll be going to the airport, have some check-in and immigration and stuff, and afterwards we'll be boarding up from Manila to Taiwan. So let's get this thing started. And here we go, prison mates. Zhao Shanghao, which means good morning in Chinese. Welcome to the city of Taipei. Alright, we just got our bags already. Also, I would like to shout out to prison mates from Taipei. Well, we just have to look for the tour guide and then we're all set. Now we just met the tour guide, so let the city tour in Taipei City begin. Just get the first look. This is the tour guide here. Oh, it's cold. It's real cold. Okay, I'm already here on the bus. Just getting ready. Bye-bye, airport.
Florence, you can call me. See, very dangerous in the bus, okay? So you have to, okay, you can call me Florence. And I will take picture of this. And also the bus number. And we have Mr. Su, our driver with us. So, Kamastaka, when you are in Rome, you do the Romans do. You speak, you in Taiwan, you learn Taiwanese. Okay, here we speak, most of the people, 70% Taiwanese. Okay, and 15% Chinese. Okay, Han Chinese from China. So the major language here speak Chinese, Mandarin, and Taiwanese. Okay, let's say, how are you? Kamastaka to our driver. Ni hao.
Ni hao
Okay,
ma.
I count 1, 2, 3, and everybody say to Mr. Su, Ni hao. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
你好吗？
苏先生你好。 In Mandarin, 你好,你好. Okay, where is our driver?
Mr.
Mr.
Su.
Su, you know, I had a group from the Philippines. From the Philippines, and one girl, one Filipino. Okay, she got up from the back door. She got on from back door. She got off from back door, and a few days later, she told me, "Flo, your country marvelous. Why? Because your bus is autonomous, no driver." So that's the reason why I asked you to get on the bus from the front door.
There you go, time for lunch. Right, Prismates, it's time for lunch here at Chuanmensi restaurant, which is the trendy Sichuan cuisine. I don't know how to pronounce that, but visually, as you can see here, it's just like the wedding. And just as what the tour guider mentioned a while ago, that they can even eat here also for special occasions, especially wedding. And as you can see there, oh, isn't this beautiful? Really a nice setting here. Look at the tables. There you go. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I even have milk tea, and I have no idea what is this. And check out the setting, it's really good. Prismates, so we're done with lunch, and let's continue with this tour. Before this, I'm going to introduce you. This is Ella.
Hello.
Our Filipino leader. Our driver, Mr. Su. And this is our tour guide, Miss Florence.
Yes.
Here we are at the factory. Just gonna show you around. These are the pineapple cakes. And we're going to start to have a tour of the factory, so see you guys later.
And you can see the promo, you will select for 5 pineapple. The night booking will cut out the thing. Hello. Okay. Everybody's moving. Let's start step. Okay, go closer. Okay. Okay, and
Hello there.
okay, everybody. Please, everyone get one tissue paper. Okay, everyone get one tissue paper. Okay, please. Okay, come across the work. Okay, let's move in. Okay. Later, we will have a test later. Okay. Okay, and everybody, if you done your pineapple already, please, we have a trash can here. You can drop it.
Very cute merchies here. We got the souvenirs as well, aside from that.
Okay.
360 on 720. You may watch price one.
Gadi, where's Rani?
Alright, we are here at the Summon Valley.
This is the twin supper. And don't forget to go in front of the pizza. There is a Beitou store. Okay, go see
This is the hotel that we're going to be staying during our stay here in Taiwan. Come to my room. It's actually raining here.
Okay, turn right. The night market. Do not eat. We do not eat drinks, mango powder. No, no, no. This is McKay. McKay Hospital, very famous.
This is the night market. Here we are at the Taiwan gift shop. This is where you can buy souvenirs. So Prismates, here we are at the night market. If you have seen my previous travel vlogs video in Korea, we went to Myeongdong. Street food. Oh, I think this is just like pancit in here. Sweet and sour. Then, oh, lobster with cheese. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be expensive. And wow, whoa, this is getting popular. But now this is just like Myeongdong here in Taiwan. Prismates, thank you so much for watching on this video. Day 1 here in Taipei. For more videos, please subscribe to the Prism Friends YouTube channel and be updated of our latest videos and all of entertainment. So once again, I'm Gushen. Thank you for watching and see you again. Good night.